What's up, goodies? Welcome back to the channel, honey. This video is going to be the beginning of vlogs. Vlogs only. So welcome back to the channel, y'all. Gotta take my pill. Let me take my pill before I start talking. Welcome back to the channel. How to cook. If it is your first time here and you have not subscribed to the channel, please feel free to subscribe, y'all. But just wake up. It's probably about 9. Let's start my day now, 9 a.m. in the morning. So I'm starting my day. But welcome back to the channel if it is your first time here. And turn the post notification on so y'all will know when I upload brand new videos, okay? And for all of my returning goodies, and I don't know, son, girl, love it to the max. To the max. And beyond. As you can see from the title, your girl is going to Jamaica. Yes, honey. I'm going to Jamaica. It's long overdue, y'all. When I say long overdue, past overdue. It's like, I'm like so overdue. It's not even funny. So, I don't think we're not going to see any cooking videos from me anytime soon. Because I'm just going to be vlogging. I might cook. I might have to get in the kitchen. Because I am going to visit my uncle. And I can't wait to cook something for him. Cook him a nice little meal or two. So I'm looking forward to my trip. Oh my goodness. I will be traveling with my daughter. One of my daughter. You will see her in the vlog because I will be vlogging every day. I'm gonna try for like at least do one vlog every day. But yeah, y'all. I am going to Jamaica. I am coming, y'all. I'm going to visit Jamaica. I come. But the problem is because of COVID, I won't be able to do any meet and greets at all. Because I'm trying to like be really COVID free on the way coming back. I don't want to get sick in Jamaica with COVID. So I'm not planning on doing any meet and greet at this particular moment. When things get better and things will change, the COVID situation has changed, then of course your girl would do some meet and greet, right? But for right now, I'm just going to just soak up the sun and go see my uncle because I haven't seen him in like forever. Let's just say I haven't been to Jamaica in a minute, right? Or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So I'm overdue. Am I excited? I'm extremely excited. I'll be there for like maybe a week or so, maybe more, depending on how I feel. But yeah, the girl is going to Jamaica. The girl is going to Jamaica. The phone is stupid enough. But yeah. Like I said before, I won't be doing any cooking right now because I've just been trying to get things organized at home before I leave. I've been doing a little bit of shopping, not too much. I make sure the little things that I take down, like what's in my suitcase or stuff like that. I don't know, depending. But I might do that. Maybe. A little bit of something. Just to get the vlogs pretty much going. So that way I don't surprise you. Oh, I'm in Jamaica. So we probably do that. Oh, what else? And then I'll probably show you the clips of me leaving, maybe. It's all depending on the airport and them security. I know things change. I'm not going to be vlogging a whole lot in the airport because, yeah. But I'll try. But yeah, I'm going to Jamaica, y'all. So But I'm gonna stay long on this video. Just letting you guys know, the ones that follow me for the cooking and all of that, that I will not be doing any cooking right now. No goodie, no cooking right now. But yeah, Jamaica would say, love my people. Time to see them. So, apologize to the ones that are waiting for some cooking videos, honey. Just follow the vlogs, okay? Because I will be vlogging. Just make sure to have the notification on, you know. Who does so bother me? No, somebody upon me talk to my goodies them. Jeez. So distracting. But anyway, make sure to have a notification on. And make sure to thumbs up the vlogs them, because I'm going to bring the vlogs them for, you know. I'm going to try for the, like 2 uploads a day or 1 upload a day. I will not be going out like party and them something they're not expect to see me and them thing that, because I do not party anymore. And apart from that, I'm not trying to get sick. So I'll be doing a lot of at home type of thing, because I'm really homebound in the middle of the US, right? But I'll be doing a lot of homebound stuff, just showing you around, whatever. If I do go out on the road, I'm definitely going to do some street views, because I know I want to see what Jamaica look like for the ones that have never been to Jamaica, or for the Jamaican goodies that is in the US and haven't been home in a minute. They'll go and look a recollection of what Jamaica is all about, right? Changes, right? That is about it. Yeah. What else? Thanks for watching the recipe. I'm gonna just put up the last one. I see that you guys like that turkey neck recipe. Thank you so much for watching, okay? And for the ones that share, thank you. What else again? I guess that's about it for now. Like I said before, don't expect to see me going out to party in these vlogs, because I'm not going to do all of that. I'm not going to be in crowded places, but I will definitely vlog what I can. I have to do some packing. I already started to pack, but I'm going to finish up, because I carried on the pharmacy with me, you know. But probably, because, good, I'm telling you something, I have a piece of bad belly, you know. My belly easy to get upset, and being as I'm vegan and stuff, I don't know how I'm going to tolerate certain things. But I'm going to make sure I carry down everything that I need for my stomach. Pain pill, everything. But I'm probably showing you the pharmacy type of thing I'm planning to bring down. And maybe give you a little glimpse of what I might be taking in the suitcase, right? So anyway, that's it, goodie. Make sure you're ready for the next recipe, the next video. I'm gonna do one more sit down and show them what I put in my suitcase or whatever, and then give you a little clip of me maybe in the airport on the plane to make them know, say yes, I'm really up on the plane, I'm overdue, and then we just get the vlogs going. All right, so love you guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, thumbs up the videos. I know some look tired, come just wake up, so nobody pint out. And that's about it. Right, Future? Come here. Come to grandma. I'm gonna make Future say hi to her, because he might not come. Come to grandma. Come, baby. Come, baby. Let's say hi to Future. Come, puppy. Here. You don't want to come. Come for this. You don't want it? Alright, come. Here. Come, baby. You want to go to the door. I'm going to get him. I'm going to see him. Hey, come here, Papa. Come. You know I come. I want to go to the door and run gone. But Future, come here. Future. We'll get him. Stay, buddy. Alright, people. It's the Future, you know. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. So this is Future. For those of you that don't know my little doggy, this is Future, my trimmer, but I don't know my trimmer. Say hi to the vlog. Alright, go on with your business. Go on with pee-pee. It was a piece of work. But anyway, that's it for now, y'all. See you in the next one. All right, bye.